name's Chelsea Herren, and I'm from Farmerville, Louisiana. I am a mother of 4. I have 1 son and 3 daughters, and I grew up between Connecticut and here. So I come from some pipeliners, like my grandpa pipelined forever, and he was a time foreman, and then my dad started welder helping at 16 years old and worked that through his whole life, and then became an inspector. And I actually worked with him on a job when I was 22, I think, and I became a welder helper. And since then I've been interested in it, but I stayed home and had children, and then I decided it was my time, so I decided to come to school. I stayed home. I was a stay-at-home mom for 8 years, 7 years, something like that. And as my youngest became school age, it was time for me to work, and I wanted to do something that I liked. So I decided to further my education and learn it. I like that I'm learning all different types of welding, that I won't be limited just knowing one particular style. I pretty much will be able to do anything whenever, or any type of welding when I leave here. I mean, my favorite is stick welding, but it's not the easiest either. My plan is to get a job, a good paying job locally. That was another reason I came to school, because I could learn outside of school, but I'd probably be traveling. Being a mom of 4, I can't travel. Don't ever be scared. We're just as good, if not better, than men in a lot of things, and the sky isn't the limit. Above the sky is the limit. Keep going. Don't ever give up.
What kind of qualities would you say are important when engaging in this work?
Confidence. In welding program, confidence is everything. The second you start second guessing yourself is the second you're going to struggle, because you're not confident in your ability. And like learning anything, there's hard times. You just have to persevere, keep going, and never say I can't, because you can.